Hello and welcome as we explore the bold Tom Ford Snowdon Vintage Wayfarer sunglasses today. These shiny black and Havana frames feature premium acetate with signature metal T detailing on the temples. The high-quality gradient gray lenses transition smoothly to provide superior clarity and full UV protection. This non-polarized style is ideal for driving while maintaining natural color perception in the sun. You will experience lasting comfort with these lightweight and durable square frames during your travels. Each bundle includes a professional care kit with a microfiber cloth and lens spray. A handy mini screwdriver is also provided to help you easily maintain your stylish eyewear. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.